Here we will present basic workflow for creating and managing reservations and waitlists. Few reservation and waitlist events will be created, and it will show in Seat in web application how events are presented and how basic operations are performed. First, reservation will be created on online reservation link, which can be found on settings online reservation and then submenu web page integration. On initial screen, user enters reservation request by choosing date, number of persons, product, and time slot. On following screen, user enters contact information including phone number, and by clicking button complete reservation finishes reservation request. Confirmation page is then displayed that request is received. Notification will be also sent to customer at that time via email or text message to phone number, if enabled in notification settings. Created reservation is then listed on page open pre-reservation tab, where reservations without assigned tables are listed. Available actions on pre-reservations are assigned tables, cancel, and link to event details page. By default, when online reservation is created, tables are not assigned automatically, but automatic assignment can be enabled in settings. There are currently 4 possible strategies. 1. Assign one table with a matched number of seats. If not found, leave unassigned, find a table with the exact number of requested seats. If there is no such table, do not automatically assign anything. This option will not try to merge multiple smaller tables to match the requested number of seats. Second strategy. Assign any table to accommodate request. If not found, leave unassigned, find any table which has a capacity bigger or same than a number of requested seats. If there is no such table, do not automatically assign anything. This option will not try to merge multiple smaller tables to reach the requested number of seats. Third strategy. Assign any table to accommodate request. If one is not sufficient, merge more tables. In all areas, find any table which has a capacity bigger or same than a number of requested seats. If there is no such table, try to merge multiple smaller tables to reach the requested number of seats. Fourth strategy. Assign any table to accommodate request. If one is not sufficient, merge more tables, only within same area. Second, reservation will be also created on online reservation link, but with changes of settings. In this case, created reservation will have tables automatically assigned. If needed, restaurant staff can also change tables by editing event. Created reservation is then listed on page Today Reservations, where expected today's reservations are listed. In the list is also visible why tables are assigned for each reservation. Available actions on pre-reservations are show, no-show, cancel, and link to event details page. Clicking show action indicates that customer has arrived in restaurant, and by that action event is becoming active, and onwards it will be displayed in tab active visits. If customer does not arrive at all, that event should be marked as no-show by clicking no-show button. In that way, related tables will not be any more reserved, but it will be considered by system as free and available for seating of other customers. By clicking cancel button, event is cancelled, e.g. for cases when customer informs restaurant in advance, and also related tables will be considered as available by system. Third, created event will be creating waitlist event on Seat in web application. Event is created by clicking button add to waitlist and entering data number of persons, approximate waiting time, i.e. your estimation how long will customer wait for a table to be freed, and contact data with phone number to which notifications will be sent. Following event will be created as walk-in, for cases when customer arrives without reservation. On walk-in tab, list of free tables are displayed, which can be selected. When clicking button create event, for those selected tables event will be created and customer information can be associated. After creation, walk-in event is displayed in active visits tab. For waitlist event, after some tables become again available, restaurant can notify customer that now table is available, and that customer may now arrive. Notification to customer is done by sending SMS message to customer phone number. Customer can respond by confirming or canceling the request. However, it is also possible that the customer does not reply at all. Customer's response is visible in the Seaton application. The waitlist event can now be resolved in 3 possible outcomes, depending on the customer's response and arrival. First is that customer arrives event is then marked as show and handled further. Second option is that customer cancels the visit. The event is closed and marked as cancelled. Third option is that customer don't arrive event is in that case closed and marked as no show. Overview of all events can be checked by opening Table Management tabs. In Reservations tab are listed expected arrivals for today. All these events have assigned tables. In PRE Reservations tab are listed requests for reservations for which tables are needed to be assigned. If tables are left not assigned, those events will not be visible in expected arrivals list on day of event. In Active Visits tab are listed currently seated guests. In Waitlist tab are guests waiting to be seated, which are waiting for tables to be freed and become available. Walk-in tab is used for guests to be seated on available tables. Here is displayed how to assign tables to pre-reservation request. After assigning tables to pre-reservation event will be displayed in Reservations tab. Overview of all events for today, or some other day can be seen on Timeline page. Timeline page gives you a graphical overview of all visits and tables occupancy in matrix view where on the left are listed tables and on top time of day. Besides an overview, on Timeline you can use drag and drop to change tables or time, create new events by clicking empty space or by clicking on Event Open Details page for that event. List of events can be seen also on Search page, where events can be searched by different criteria, by customer name, phone, reservation code or date interval. Search results can be also exported to CSV and imported into Excel by clicking on Export button. On following screens are displayed notification and alert settings. After each action or change of event, notifications are sent to customer via email or text message to phone number. On settings pages for notifications, those messages can be enabled or disabled and also customized. Notifications regarding reservations are located on Reservation tab and for Waitlist event on Waitlist tab. Look and feel of email messages can be changed on Look and Feel tab. Settings for alert notifications sent to restaurant staff when new reservation has been created/cancelled, or a waiting list entry has been added/removed are managed on Alert Settings page, where notification email can be defined and different alert options can be enabled or disabled. You can access this page by clicking Settings/Alerts from the side menu of the Seaton web application. In following screens is displayed quick overview how notifications and alerts look like for events created during this presentation. Notifications to guests are sent from sender under restaurant location name, and alerts notifications to restaurant staff are sent under name Seaton Alerts. In confirmation messages is also included event calendar data which guests can import into personal calendar. Cancellation links and notification emails were enabled for this example.